welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am 𝐁𝐞𝐜𝐤𝐬𝐭 and I am back with another video on the OOP series, lecture 5. And here we would be looking on types of access specifiers. So the very first access specifier in this list is public. So what is this public access specifier? So whenever the members are accessible from outside the class, it's of type public. So what does this mean? So basically consider I am having a class as car. So basically car is having some variable as x. Now if I declare this variable as public, it can be accessed outside the class as well. So if I want to access this particular variable outside the class, I can just use car1.x is equal to 60 and cout car1.x. So it will give me an output of 60. So basically whenever we can access this particular variable outside our class, we can use this public access specifier. So basically consider that if you have a class and you want to kind of expose its member variables, some member functions to other functions and objects. So basically there you can use this public access specifiers. So here I am exposing this particular variable x outside my class, and basically here I am doing car1.x and here we can use car1.x to access this, and here is equal to 60. So basically whenever we would be printing cout car1.x, we would be getting output as 60. So basically a public access specifier is used to provide a public access to your member variables, function and etc. So basically from the name public you can remember this thing if you want to, that public access specifier is always used whenever we want to access the members outside the class. So and also you would be thinking that why we are using this public, private and protected access specifiers. So basically these access specifiers, as I told na ki public access specifier exposes your data to public and you can use any of the data outside the class. Consider if it's like class is car and if there is a data, okay, which you don't want, consider int car number, okay. Now this is the data which you don't want anyone to access outside the class, anyone can't use it, car1 dot car number is equal to 1456, something like that. So if you don't want anyone to access your data outside the class, you would be using the private access specifier here. So basically whenever you use the private access specifier here, the card number wouldn't be edited by anyone or wouldn't be changed by anyone. It editing or changing the data, we use the getter and setter. So basically this is all about the public access specifier. By default in C++, the variables are of type private. So if you want to give them a public access, do declare this public keyword explicitly so that they could get a public access. So this was all about this video on public access specifier. In the coming videos we would be looking more on private and protected access specifiers. So if you're someone who is liking my content, please hit the like button. If you're someone who is new to my channel and looking out for such content on tech and off-campus job opportunities, please hit the subscribe button. And if you're someone who is following this series or watching this video and have any kind of feedback, do let me know. This is my very first series on OOPs and in the teaching field as well. So your feedback would be really useful to me in my coming videos. So till then, take care, keep learning, keep growing. Bye all.